We are back with yet another spectacular event. I'm your host Supriya.
And I'm Chitrali, and today we are thrilled to host you for this spectacular evening.
I can already feel the excitement in the air. But before we begin, we would like to thank our directors Ms. Karuna and Ms. Sirisha for giving us this opportunity. Thank you. And now, to officially begin, good evening everyone. A warm welcome to everyone. So today we are having a spectacular event, that's our annual day. We are absolutely delighted to have you all here. Tonight, we gather to the incredible talents of our little stars, the unwavering support of our wonderful parents, and the dedication of our amazing teachers. This is a day of joy, pride, and inspiration, a day to reflect on the milestones our children have achieved with love and care guiding them every step of the way. Hazelwood Annual Day is not just an event, it's a tradition that celebrates dreams, creativity, and spirit of a vibrant school community. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on a magical evening filled with laughter, happiness, and memories that we will cherish forever.
Before we begin, let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed parents, our dedicated teachers, and most importantly, our enthusiastic students for making this event possible. Your presence truly lights up this occasion. As the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child, and today we are celebrating that village. Each of you has played a very significant role in shaping the young minds of Hazelwood, and tonight we honor your contributions.
Every smile, every cheer, and every clap from you will encourage our young performers to shine even brighter tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for a moment of significance to mark the beautiful beginning of this occasion. We will light the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of wisdom, knowledge, and spreading of positivity. Just as a single flame can dispel darkness, education, and enlightenment, which guides us towards a bright future.
To grace this special moment, I would like to invite our Chief Guest Dr. Lakshmi N. Reddy, Guest of Honor Ms. Padma Reddy, KSRA Varma, Kranti, Srinivas Raju, and our Hazelwood directors Ms. Karuna and Sirisha to step forward and light the lamp. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause. As the dignitaries light the lamp, our talented student, baby Aditri, will present a beautiful prayer song. I request baby Aditri to present a beautiful prayer song for us.
Gajanana Om Gajavadana Gajanana Om Gajavadana Shera
Gayatri.
Now, I request everyone to rise for our national anthem as we honor our great nation. This is a moment to reflect on our shared values, our unity, and our aspirations for a brighter tomorrow. Let us join our voices and hearts in paying tribute to the spirit of India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Now, we request our dignitaries to be seated.
Dr. Lakshmi N. Reddy, Interim Provost and Chief Academic Officer at New Mexico State University, and a guest of honor, Padma Reddy, Associate Director of Global Initiatives at NMSU. Dr. Reddy brings over 25 years of experience in academia, served as former dean of the College of Engineering at NMSU. He is a distinguished educator and researcher in civil and in environmental engineering with a focus on interdisciplinary themes. Dr. Reddy has authored 8 books and over 120 articles. His work on sustainable engineering and biomimetic system has led to global collaborations with researchers across continents. He has also contributed to various prestigious boards, advancing education and research in engineering worldwide.
Our guest of honor, Padma Reddy, has been with NMSU for over 9 years and is currently the Associate Director of the Global Initiatives. In this role, she plays a key part in enhancing the NMSU's global presence and fostering international partnerships. Her efforts have helped create opportunities for students and faculty alike to engage in global research and exchange programs, which strengthens the NMSU's international network. Ms. Padma Reddy has also served as advisor for students from India who seek graduation degrees at the foreign. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Lakshmi N. Reddy and Padma Reddy, whose leadership and dedication continue to inspire and shape the future of higher education at NMSU.
We are deeply honored by your presence and we look forward to hearing your inspiring words later this evening.
Parents, huge round of applause, please.
And before we begin, a quick reminder to all our parents, don't forget about the exciting lucky draw happening later tonight. Stay with us till the end, you might just walk away with a special prize. And now, to officially kick off our performances, we present a delightful welcome dance by our little stars from PP1 and PP2. These young performers have been practicing tirelessly. Their energy and enthusiasm will surely set a tone for the evening. Their vibrant smiles reminds us of the innocence and the boundless potential that resides in every child. Let's give them a huge round of applause as they take over the stage.
Now, I call upon the names Aditri, Charvika, Ishika, Haindavi, Sudiksha, Yokshita, Adya Mishra, Airi Maithili, Ishika Mohante, Nandini KS, Naomi Chandavat, T. Riya, Tanvika Vardarajan, Varsha and Priyamvada.
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी धीं तारा धीं धीं तारा जतुलतो विनोदिनी भुवन पालिनी वे अनाथ रक्षणनी विधि कादटे मोरविनी चेरवटे
Wow, that was incredible, dear kids. A day of honor, the incredible efforts that shape the future of our little learners. With immense joy that we announce that Hazelwood Preschool has been recognized as a Trailblazer Preschool of the Year 2024-25 by ET TechX. This prestigious award is a testament to our commitment to excellence in early childhood education. creating an environment where curiosity thrives and young minds blossom. We are also proud to announce that to be ranked top 20 preschools in Telangana for our dedication to fostering joyful learning experiences.
This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the relentless dedication of our educators, the unwavering support of our parents, and of course, the boundless enthusiasm of our students. Let us give a huge round of applause for everyone who made this possible. We look forward to continue this journey of excellence and creating even more wonderful learning experience in the coming years. Thank you. Our next act is a beautiful yoga performance by our PP2 students. Yoga is just not about flexibility. It is a way of life that teaches us discipline, mindfulness, and balance. Through this performance, our little yogis will remind us about the harmony between body, mind, and soul. Let's cheer them up as they take us on this serene and beautiful journey.
Now I call upon the names Atar Gupta, Arjav Krishank, Bharat Ram Reddy, Dhyan Bharadwaj, Harshavardhan, Kaushal Yadav, Mit Patel, Shashwat Sahu, Shivansh Reddy, Shanvik Alwala, Varun Padarthi, Viyan Deepak, Vihan Rahul.
Pose, triangle pose, bow pose, cobra pose, cow pose,
Parents, please encourage our
cat
students.
pose, mountain pose, butterfly pose, warrior one pose, warrior two pose,
Now, get ready to witness some power-packed moves as a PP1 student showcase their Taekwondo skills. Taekwondo is more than a martial art. It's a celebration of discipline, self-control and perseverance. Tonight, these young warriors will inspire us with the courage and energy.
Now I call upon the names, and as I call upon the names, I request everyone to clap for them. Dhruvan, Nidhish, Sayan, Tatva, Vishnu Kartikeya, Vihan K, Adit, Garvik, Naksh, Vihan S, Vajrapurna Kartikeya.
Our stand, two. Here. Hands back. Single punch, each count, say here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Face level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last down level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands back, upper back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how about you the hand say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sadhya, go back your butt, go back, mobile line. Nanchak batch, come on first. Nanchak batch. Nanchak students. Nanchak student, come on first. Take over Nanchak. Just move back, beta. Sir, move back. Move back, beta. Move back. Sadhya, Ramat. Our stand down. Start. Speed the ball. Yes, start. Speed here. Speed. More speed. Super. Speed. Good job. Speed. More speed.
Parents, your encouragement shouldn't stop. Claps and loud
Super.
cheers.
Speed. Yes. Sadhya. Ramat. Split your legs. Let your up. Split your legs. Stay here. Super. Sadhya. Stand up. Go back, beta. Go back. Next, tile break back. Come on. Tile break back. Tile break. Run. Tile break. Garvik, come on, Garvik. Sir. Come on, because. Tile break back. Sadhya, Ramat, first hands up, hands back, hand up, here. Wow, super. Sadhya, Ramat, just go back, stand back, everybody stand back. Super, go back. Hero. Yes. Good. Head up, look straight. Up. Sadhya. Ramat. Stand up. Enough now.
Yes. Taking a guess? I'm very bad at it. Please give me small hints.
Alright, it's something that you've been loving lately.
Loving lately? Is it coffee?
Nope.
If it is not coffee, then it is shopping?
Close, but not exactly.
Wait a minute, is it Barbie girl?
Wow, you guessed it right. Absolutely right.
Yes. The adorable playgroup students are all set to take us into the colorful and cheerful world of Barbie girl. The twirls and moves are sure to light up the stage and your hearts. Parents, loud cheers and applause please.
Now I call upon the names Ayansh P, Adrit, Gayati KK, Samrit Kiran, Varanya, Kritin Venkat, Pravya, Shanmukha Dhruti, Shilo, Tathagata Banerjee, Vedavika, Sai Ishwar. Parents, cheer them.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, girl, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. High music, high flows.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde single girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there. Hanky, hanky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Parents, now we request. Thank you.
That's right. A lucky draw is just around the corner, so parents, don't go anywhere. Kodungu.
D, is a Tamil medley coming up?
You're absolutely right. Up next, we have a spectacular Tamil medley performance by our talented nursery students. Watch as these children light up the stage with a coordinated moves and infectious energy. Let's give them a huge round of applause, parents.
Who?
Huge round of applause.
And now, as I call upon the names, you have to cheer for your kids. Mahika, Adhar, Mahir, Ishanvi, Suweda, Hitayshri, Shrish, Hitesh, Shivansh, Kartikeya, Kian.
തിരിച്ചീവനല്ലേ തിരികെ വിട്ടാൻ വന്നല്ലേ തിരുത്തി വെക്കാൻ വന്നല്ലേ തിട്ടം കൊണ്ടല്ലേ ചേട്ടൻ വന്നല്ലേ ചേട്ട ചെയ്യാവന്നല്ലേ പേട്ട തുള്ളാൻ വന്നല്ലേ വേട്ടയനല്ലേ
മകനെ പൊന്മകനെ മുത്തായവനെ നിന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രനും ഒന്നായവനെ കാലം കാത്ത് വച്ച രക്ഷകനെ സംഹാരകനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോ നീ അണ്ണൻ വന്നാൽ തുമ്പിട്ട് നില്ല് ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാഴും രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുല്ല് ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായും ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം എടുത്തു വച്ചാൽ സ്വർഗം പോലും മണ്ടപ്പെട് കത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വിദ്യാരംഭം കുത്ത് ഹരിശ്രീ തോക്കിൻ കാഞ്ചി വലി ശീലം പണ്ടേ മാറാത്ത വ്യാധി നെഞ്ചിൽ പൂട്ടി വച്ചോരംഗക്കലി തീരാത്ത വാശി അണ്ണൻ മീശ വെച്ചോരാട്ട പുലി ഇടയാന്നൊരുക്കും നിന്നൊരുക്കും പണ്ടേ ആപത്ത് കട്ടച്ചോര കൊണ്ട് ജ്യൂസ് അടിച്ച് സോഡാ സർബത്ത് നൊടിയിൽ മതയാനെ നെരുക്കിടും കരുത്ത് ഇവനെ പടച്ചു വിട്ട കടവുള്ളക്ക് 10-10
Kids, everyone say cheese. thumbs up. Everyone, thumbs up. Kids up, hands up in the by a young maestros from PP1 and PP2, Tatva, S. Vihan and Atharva, who will be showcasing their talent on keyboard.
Music has the power to touch hearts and bring people together, and these young musicians have worked hard to bring a performance that is both melodious and inspiring. Their dedication to learning this beautiful instrument at such a young age is truly commendable.
Let us give them a big round of applause as they share their musical magic with us. Parents, I invite all to switch on the torch lights on your devices as a gesture of encouragement and support. Each of you, thank you.
Now, get ready for some entertainment with Bollywood-themed group dance performance by our nursery students. With lively beats and sparkling outfits, this performance is sure to leave you tapping your feet and clapping along. Let's show them a love with loud cheers.
Woo! Parents, now I call upon the names. Abhigyan, Divyansh, Ninad, Harshit, Shivya, Yutika, Shamantak, Shashwat Sisodi, Shawan Chand. Parents, huge round of applause.
वो नहीं आने वाली वो बेवफा छलावत थी
झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं वो झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं वो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं हाँ लेके आया भी मैं घर से रजाई नहीं लेके आया भी मैं घर से रजाई नहीं नहीं आई
बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया, तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया।
Wow, wow, what an amazing and energetic performance. Parents, loud cheers once again.
Kids, pose, pose, pose. Kids, front. Kids, hold your hats like this. Yes, this.
Graduation is not just a milestone. It's a stepping stone to new adventures and greater achievements. Today, we celebrate the growth, perseverance, and dreams of our young graduates. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Lakshmi N. Reddy, and guest of honor, Padma Reddy, along with the directors, Ms. Sirisha and Ms. Karuna, to come on to the dais to graduate our young budding minds.
Down as the graduation ceremony begins in few minutes. Thank you for your patience and encouragement. Parents, claps and cheers shouldn't stop. Nandini KS. Next upon, I call Arja Krishank. Ira Maithili. Priyamvada Banerjee. Parents, claps and cheers shouldn't stop. Next up is Atharva Gupta.
I see my own reflection, craving for attention, longing for salvation in the middle of the night.
Next up, I call Ria T.
As far as the eye can see, as long as the sea is deep, as long as my soul is free, I'm alive. Mind over matter, love over lust, compassion over fear.
Next up, I call Bharat Ram Reddy.
Love is fire.
Next up, I call Shanvik Aluwala. Next up, Dhyan Bharadwaj.
I see my own reflection, craving for attention, longing for salvation in the middle of the night.
Parents, I hear no claps. I see no encouragement.
As long as the sea is deep,
Crowd has become silent. More louder.
soul is free, I'm alive.
Now I call upon Shashwat Sahu. Next up, Harshavardhan. Next up, Shivansh Reddy.
Yes, parents, continue cheering our young graduates.
Loudest claps. Next up, Ishika Mohante. Next up, Kaushal Yadav. Next up, Tanvika Vardarajan. Next up, Mit Patel. Next up, Varsha J. Next up, Varun Padarthi. Next up, Vyan Deepak. Vyan Deepak. Vihan Rahul. milestone. Wow, that's a very responsive crowd. Kids, big smiles on your face and certificates on there. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We request our chief guest, Dr. Lakshmi and Reddy, and ma'am to please stay back. Sir, we request you to share a few words with us. Your insights and wisdom will surely motivate not just our students, but everyone gathered here tonight.
Request for parents, please stay back. We have certificate distribution ceremony for all the classes. So please stay back and encourage your students. Comments of our students with certificate distribution ceremony.
Now, I call upon the names. Marvelous Ayansh, excellent Adrit, phenomenal Gayati, fantastic Samarvit Kiran, impressive Varanya, brilliant Kritin Venkat, outstanding Pravya, enthusiastic Shana Ishwar. I request each and every parent of kids to please accompany them on the dais. Dear once again, I call upon the names. Excellent Adrit, phenomenal Gayati, fantastic Samarvit Kiran, impressive Varanya, brilliant Kritin Venkat, outstanding Pravya, enthusiastic Shanmukh Dhruti, dynamite Shilo, phenomenal Tadgata Banerjee. Soon, we request you all to be seated.
Connect your mind. Connect your soul. Connect.
Along with the parents.
Connect your body. Enter the simulation. Connect your mind. Connect your soul. Connect to the simulation.
Congratulations to each one of you. And we request chief guest to take your seat.
By our PP1 students to the iconic song Urvasi Urvasi. This song was composed by none other than the legendary artist A.R. Rahman, a name that resonates with excellence in music worldwide.
A.R. Rahman started his journey as a young boy, passionate about music. Through hard work, dedication, and immense talent, he has become one of the most celebrated composers of all time, winning numerous awards including Grammys and Oscars. Parents, who all are A.R. Rahman fans here?
Just as A.R. Rahman once dreamed big and achieved greatness, we hope our little ones too are inspired to chase their dreams, work hard, and reach for the stars. Let's cheer for the young stars as they bring enthusiasm and charm to the stage. A big round of applause for them. Parents, we request you to wave your hands as they perform.
Now I call upon the names. Aishani, Adriti Sharma, Charvika Arpika, Dhruvan, Kashvi Garg, Ishika Karala, Navya, Nidhish, Sanvi Arya, Sayan, Shreyanshi, Tatwa Singh, Vishnu Kartikeya, Vihan Kukreti.
Urvasi, take it easy, Urvasi. Usalaga, ullu unde, endu ganda pharmacy. Urvasi, take it easy, Urvasi. Usalaga, ullu unde, endu ganda pharmacy. Gelpuki, sutrame, take it easy, policy. Ningiro, velpula, yapana umappa fantasy.
We are the sounds of the streets.
Ooh-da-da, we-da-da-da, ooh-da-da, we-da-da, ooh-da-da, we-da-da-da, ooh-da-da.
छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज
Wow, what an incredible performance. Parents, please cheer louder. Let's encourage these energetic performers.
As a quick heads up, our lucky draw is coming up soon. Is the folk song, a beautiful Telangana folk song that showcases the rich cultural heritage of the region. Will take you through the traditions and rhythms of Telangana. Get ready to experience the essence of folk music. A big hand for this amazing kids.
Haindavi Raidu, Krish Vigarg, Medha Murthy, Naksh Aneja, Sudiksha, Vihan Shivashetty, Vajrapurna Kartikeya, P. Yokshita.
ముక్కు పోగు మెరుపులోన పొద్దు పొడిసే తూర్పులోన మైసమ్మ ఎర్ర ఎర్రని సూర్యుడే నీ నుదుట నా బొట్టయ్యే ఓ సల్లని సూపుల తల్లి మాయమ్మ
అమ్మలగన్న అమ్మరన్న పచ్చి పసుపు బొమ్మరన్న యాప చెట్టు కొమ్మరన్న ధూపమెసే దుమ్మురన్న ఏ ఆషాఢ మాసమన్న అందులో అది వారమన్న కొత్త కుండల బోనమన్న నెత్తికెసెను పట్టమన్న యోసే హే బోనాలు రే చల్లో చల్లో గని మైసమ్మరో యోసే హే బోనాలు రే చల్లో చల్లో గని మైసమ్మరో హే రాయ రాయ హే రాయ రాయ అరే రాయ 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 మైసమ్మ వెల్కమ్ పేటెల్లమ్మవే మా తల్లి బంగారు మైసమ్మవే ఉజ్జయిని మాంకాళివే మాయమ్మ ఊరూరా పోచమ్మవే యోసే హే బోనాలు రే చల్లో చల్లో గని మైసమ్మరో యోసే హే బోనాలు రే చల్లో చల్లో గని మైసమ్మరో
ఓ పిల్లగా వెంకటేశు చూడకపోతుంటవో కానకమోతుంటవో నా పిల్లగా వెంకటేశు చూడకపోతుంటవో కానకమోతుంటవో ఓ పిల్లగా వెంకటేశు ఓ పిల్లగా వెంకటేశు ఓ పిల్లగా వెంకటేశు తానానే నన్నానే చంకీలా అంగిలేసి ఓ వదినే చాకులే కుండే తోడే ఓ వదినే కళ్ళకు ఆయన పెట్టి కత్తోలే కన్నెట్ల కొడుతుండేనే చినిగిన బానినేసి ఓ వదినే నట్టింట్ల కూసుంటాడే ఓ వదినే మాసిన లుంగి వేసి ఇప్పుడు మంచంలానే పంటాడే
పెండ్లైన కొత్తల అత్తర్లు పూసిన్నే నీ లేక తిరిగిన్నే ముత్తులిస్తుంటే ఊరు తెస్తుంటే చక్కెర లెక్క నీ మాటలుంటుండే మారేని తీరు పెరిగేని నోరు మందు కలవాటైతేనే
ఇప్పుడు మనకు కొంచెం చేంజ్ కావాలమ్మా దరువు మార్చి కొత్త సౌండ్ వేసుకోండి
నర్సబెల్లే 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 గండిలోన గంగదారి నాటు పిల్లే కలిసినాది గంగదారి నర్సబెల్లే గండిలోన గంగదారి నాటు పిల్లే కలిసినాది గంగదారి కలిసినాది గంగదారి కలిసినాది గంగదారి నాటు పిల్ల మాటలాటు గంగదారి కోటుగాడు రెచ్చిపోయే గంగదారి
Your insights and leadership will undoubtedly inspire not only our students but everyone present here.
Please give a big round of applause to all the children, parents, and most importantly, the teachers. Please give them a big applause. Thank you, thank you. It's been a pleasure. I was always very, very proud of my work, helping international students at NMSU. But when I am watching all the little kids dance on the stage, I'm really jealous of all the directors and teachers and the parents and the children. This has been a wonderful experience. Please continue to do all the hard work that you've been doing for your kids. Make sure that they learn throughout their life, and that's your only duty to do that. Thank you so much, and wonderful presentation. Thank you. Bye.
I request you to distribute certificates to our talented nursery students. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to celebrate the achievements of our students with a certificate distribution ceremony.
Adharv, excellent Mahir, achiever Ninad, fascinating Ishanvi, creative Suveda, outstanding Harshit, bubbly Shivya, fearless Hitaishri, cheerful Srish, outstanding Hitesh, impressive Shivansh, serene Yutika, charming Kartikeya, brilliant Shamantak, sweetheart Kian, impressive Shashwat Sisodi, extraordinary Shoan Chand.
Taking the first steps into the world of education with curiosity, enthusiasm, and determination. Let's give these little achievers a big round of applause.
Dear parents, as your encouragement doesn't stop, I call out the names once again. Excellent Abhigyan, impressive Mahika, exciting Adharv, excellent Mahir, achiever Divyansh, enthusiastic Ninal, fascinating Ishanvi, creative Suveda, outstanding Harshit, bubbly Shivya, fearless Hitaishri, cheerful Srish, outstanding Hitesh, impressive Shivansh, serene Yutika, charming Kartikeya, brilliant Shyamantak, sweetheart Kian, impressive Shashwat Sisodi, extraordinary Shovanchan. Thank you, parents, for your encouragement.
Connect your mind. Connect your soul. Connect your body. Enter the simulation.
to each one of you. Thank you, ma'am.
Up next, we have a vibrant and energetic Hindi medley performed by a talented PP2 students. This some of the most popular and melodious Bollywood songs celebrating the magic of music and dance. Our little stars have worked tirelessly to perfect their shapes, and their excitement is sure to light up the stage. Let's cheer for these young performers as they take us on a musical journey filled with joy, rhythm, and entertainment. A big round of applause for PP2 dancers.
I call upon the names Nandini KS, Arjav Krishank, Naomi Chandawat, Priyamvada Banerjee, Bharat Ram Reddy, Shashwat Sahu, Kaushal Yadav, Tanvika Varadarajan, Mit Patil, Varun Padarthi, Vihan Rahul.
मखमली सी है खुमारी इश्क सा तो नशा कोई ना जाम रंगी रूम लंगी इश्क जैसी तृषा कोई ना
Exactly, what's going on?
The beats are too good. I had to dance. Come join me.
No, let's save the spotlight for a little ones.
I wanted to dance. Okay. Up next are our talented PP2 students which bring you an energetic performance. Get ready for celebration of rhythm and joy. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
I now call upon the names Adya Mishra, Ira Maithili, Atharv Gupta, Riyati, Shanvik Aluvala, Dhyan Bharadwaj, Harshvardhan, Shivansh Reddy, Ishika Mohante, Varsha J, Vian Deepak.
தில்லானா நீ தித்திக்கின்ற தேனா திக்கு திக்கு நெஞ்சில் தில்லானா தில்லானா நீ தித்திக்கின்ற தேனா திக்கு திக்கு நெஞ்சில் தில்லானா மஞ்சள் காட்டு மைனா என்ன கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி போனா திக்கு திக்கு நெஞ்சில் தில்லானா வச்சதும் நீதானா அது கண்ணி வச்சதும் நீதானா கட்டில் போட்டு நான் காப்பம் கட்டல் சொன்னா தில்லானா தில்லானா
நான் தித்திக்கின்ற தேனா திக்கு திக்கு நெஞ்சில் தில்லானா
மஞ்ச காட்டு மைனா
உன கொஞ்சி கொஞ்சி போனா திக்கு திக்கு நெஞ்சில் தில்லானா
గురించి నీకు తెలీదు నా దారి రహదారి అడ్డం రాకు
அப்படி போட 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 அஸ்தி போட கண்ணாலே இப்படி போட 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 இழுத்து போட கையாலே
உன்னோட ஊருக்குத உப்பு மூட்டை ஏறிக்கிற உன்னோட கண்ணை பொத்தி கண்ணா மூட்டி ஆட வர இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போட 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 அஸ்தி போட கண்ணாலே இப்படி போட 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 இழுத்து போட கையாலே
గ్రౌండ్ లో ఎంతమంది ఆటగాళ్ళైనా ఉండొచ్చు కానీ ఆడియన్స్ అంతా ఒక్కడిని మాత్రమే చూస్తారు. ఎవరినో తెలుసా? ఆట నాయకుడిని.
పిరిచి మేంజిరువా
రేయ్ రేయ్
ఏమి
ఏమన్నావ్
అర్థం కాలేదా ఇర్రగతీస్తా వస్తా
டாடா இது சப்பா பீட்டு கொளுத்துக்கடா மஜாபா மஜாபா இதா 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 ஏய் ரெடிடா வாடா பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே
From our little stars. Here's one surprise too. We invite you to join in too. Let us all be Vijay Talapatis for a moment.
ఇర్రగతీస్తా వస్తా
ஏய் டாடா இது சப்பா பீட்டு கொளுத்துக்கடா மஜாபா மஜாபா இதா 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 ஏய் ரெடிடா வாடா பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே ஓகே
Parents, I request you to join on the dais. Dear parents, I request you to join.
Parents, hands in the hands. PP1 and PP2 students.
We now come to a proud and significant moment, the certificate distribution for our PP1 and PP2 students. This marks an important milestone as these young learners get ready to take the next big step in their academic journey. Let's give them a huge round of applause for our PP1 and PP2 students as they receive the well-deserved certificates. Now I call upon the names. Enthusiastic Arna. Dynamic Adit. Rocking Garvik Rai. Marvelous Haindavi Raidu. Cutie Pie Krishvi Garg. Multi-talented Medha Murthy. Superstar Naksh Aneja. Brilliant Sudiksha. Spectacular Vihan Shiva Shetty. Extraordinary Vajrapurna Kartikeya. Outstanding P. Yokshita. I call up the names again. Dear parents, we found a scooty keys which is number from 6723. If anyone lost your keys, please come here to collect. I repeat the scooty number 6723. Now I call upon the names. Excellent Aishani, Outstanding Aditri Sharma, Outstanding Charvika Arpika, Marvelous Dhruvan, Fantastic Kashvi Garg, Incredible Ishka Karla, Exciting Navya, Excellent Nidish, Impressive Sanvi Arya. I request parents to accompany their children. Enthusiastic Arna, Dynamic Adit Preman, Rocking Garvik Rai, Marvelous Haindavi Rai, Superstar Naksh Aneja, Brilliant Sudiksha, Spectacular Vihan Shivashetty, Extraordinary Vajrapurna Kartikeya, Outstanding P. Yokshita, Incredible Ishka Karla, Exciting Navya, Excellent Nidish, Impressive Sanvi Arya, So Smart Sayan, Excellent Shreyanshi, Brilliant Tatwa Singh, Parents, we know we are getting late, but we will be winding up in another 10 minutes, so please stay back for the lucky draw. Nandini KS, exciting Arjav Krishank, impressive Naomi Chandavat, phenomenal Ira Maithili, outstanding Priyamvadi Banerjee, dynamite Atharv Gupta, fantastic all of the names again. Outstanding Nandini KS, exciting Arjav Krishank, impressive Naomi Chandavat, phenomenal Ira Maithili, outstanding Priyamvadi Banerjee, dynamite Atharv Gupta, fantastic Riyati, impressive Bharatram Reddy, marvelous Shanvik Aluvala, dynamite Dhyan Bharadwaj, enthusiastic Shashwat Sahu, heartthrob Harshavardhan, phenomenal Shivansh Reddy, brilliant Ishika Mohante, dynamite Kaushal Yadav, outstanding Tanvika Vardarajan, brilliant Mit Patil, exciting Varsha J, fantastic Varun Padatri, excellent Vyan Deepak, phenomenal Vihan Rahul.
Excitement is in the air and we can't wait to see who the lucky winner is. Drum roll please, and remember, the real prize is being a part of this beautiful evening together. Now, we request our chief guest, Dr. Lakshmi Reddy, and guest of honor, Ms. Padma Reddy ma'am, to take a lucky dip. Ishika Karla.
Congratulations, Ishika.
Garvik Rai.
Congratulations, Garvik Rai. Congratulations, Varun.
Vihan Kukreti. Vihan Rahul.
Congratulations, Vihan Rahul. We invite you to come onto the dais and collect your lucky draw prize.
Samrit Kiran.
Thank you for gracing us with your presence and for inspiring us with your valuable contributions, sir and ma'am.
As we come to the end of this wonderful evening, I would like to take a moment and express a heartfelt gratitude. First, a big thank you to our guest of honor and chief guest for gracing us with their presence and inspiring words. Your support means so much to us.
To our parents, thank you for your endless encouragement and for being hand in hand in this beautiful journey. Your energy and love made all the difference.
We would also extend a special thanks to Meru International School, Tellapur, for generously providing us with this beautiful venue. Your support has been instrumental in making this event such a success.
To our amazing teachers and staff, your hard work behind the scenes is what made this day possible. Thank you for your dedication. And lastly, to our little performers, you are the stars of the evening. Thank you for putting your heart into every performance and making this day unforgettable.
Thank you all once again. Wishing you a safe journey home.
Thank you.